In Thailand, there are so many Pakistani Christians,
Yes.
those who are suffering with so many challenges. And day by day, the life is just getting more and more terrible for them to live or survive in Thailand. And we have seen all the news, we have talked to people directly, and we heard all those stories, and we are concerned about that. They are our people. On some point, we just felt like they're mistreated over there. We have been treated even in our own nation, in Pakistan, so badly. People, because of desperation, they are moving out.
Right.
Because of their challenges, because of persecution, because of the fire what they are just facing every day.
Yes.
And over there, they are not even considered as human. They are taken to prison. They are facing so many issues with the living,
We are feeling that our homeland is not peaceful for us.
Yes.
For the time being, they can get a little bit rest because they are suffering also with the trauma. They are coming here, and again they are getting trauma here also in Thailand.
According to my opinion, opinion and information, there are many minor children, including with their mothers, in the detention center, and they are facing diseases, skin diseases and other things.
It is possible that Thailand government can stop a police to arrest them.
Pakistani who are now in the detention centers.
Yeah.
They are illegal migrants. They come to Thailand illegally without suitable document.
Due to their process, they are delayed, they are overstayed, and still they cannot extend visa.
That's right. That's one of the major issues that we have to deal with.
Yeah.
As I said, the process has taken long time. So
But we can only come to you and see, because this is your nation, and you know how they can be considered to stay there. Because some people have to flee, some people have to even kicked off from the nation, and some people even forcefully put it into a prison. And so we are here with a request, so if they can be treated well.
What's the proportion of the Christian Pakistani in Pakistan? I mean, how many percent?
3%.
Just 3%.
Yeah, we are here with that concern,
Right.
to plead for them.
And I also appreciate your concern regarding your, fellow Christian Pakistani in Thailand. I understand that the refugee status determinations take long time, so that's why they have to stay in Thailand for a while. And in Thailand, we already send them to the social workers outside the detention centers. But as you said, many of them don't want to go to stay with the social workers. They want to stay with their parents.
Yeah.
So I think that's why they're still in the detention centers. But I'll convey this reply to my government as well. Let me assure you that we still, comply, with the humanitarian traditions. Those Pakistan, the Christian Pakistan, in need of, if they need any, assistance, be the food, shelter, medicine, everything, we try to provide them.
That will be great. Yes.
I understand you have the petition to make sure that
Yes, please.
this is priority concern, Mr. Office.
आज हॉलैंड में हमने थाईलैंड के एम्बेसी में वो सारी मुश्किलात जो हैं इन लोगों के सामने हमने रखी हैं।
थाईलैंड में जो मुश्किलात का सामना कर रहे हैं उसके लिए हम एक आवाज़ बन रहे हैं उनकी।
हमने हॉलैंड की कम्युनिटी के तकरीबन तमाम ही चर्चेज और अलग अलग दोस्तों को लेकर एक मुतवाज़न वफ़द बनाया और हमने आज थाईलैंड में पटिशन दी है अपने उन बहन भाइयों के लिए थाईलैंड के जो वहाँ पर असाइलम में मुश्किलात में हैं,
और उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की है कि जितने भी हमारे क्रिश्चियन थाईलैंड में हैं उनके जो है उनको सेव करें और उनको प्रोटेक्शन दें,
कि उन्हें तंग ना किया जाए बल्कि उन्हें एक सेफ रास्ता दिया जाए जिसमें वो वहाँ पे रहते हुए जो है अपने आप को जो है ना वो महफूज समझें।
तो प्लीज़ आप लोग हमारा साथ दें, हम आगे भी मतलब ये काम करते रहेंगे।
जब तक हम जीते हैं हम बहन भाइयों के लिए आवाज़ उठाते रहेंगे।
आप घबराएं नहीं, हम आपके साथ हैं, हर वक्त हम आपकी आवाज़ हैं।